Hi, it's me again, Sue. Today I'll teach you how to draw a panda graphics using Illustrator. Let's get started. First, I'll create an artboard. Then, I'll use pen tools to create a draft of the panda. As this is a mirror-facing graphic, I only need to draw half face of it. I started to draft the geometric shapes from the ear to the face. The thing I need to concern is the face and the ear is on proportion or not. I'm drawing different geometric lines on the face. For the nose and the eyes, I'll try to make them into geometric patterns. So, this panda will look more like abstract artwork. I usually draw some basic line first, and later I'll adjust the line. So, if you think the graphics is not perfect, it's totally fine here. Just make adjustments whenever you want to. You can also close up and have a look of the lines. Adjust the lines and patterns as long as the way you want to be. I love to use simple shapes and lines to represent the panda look. So, I don't want to use complicated lines and designs. After drawing the half-face look of the panda, you can try to drop color on it. I started with the black color first, then gray color. I like the ears have high-low color effect. For the face, as I know panda is in white color, but I don't want to, as this will be so boring. So, I choose different color blocking on it, mainly in gray color and some light blue color. For the nose, I want it to be more exaggerated, so I draft a bigger nose for the panda. I'm going to finish the half-facing draft. After adjusting the color, I'll try to mirror the whole graphic and take the total look of it. See any changes I need to do and the proportion is good or not. I'm doing some adjustment here. Tuning the color, seeing the proportion, and also put the basic line out there. This can help you not seeing the black lines at the back of the graphic. I'm adjusting the face proportion and also the ear proportion. After making some final changes, the graphics is almost done. And if you put a background color of it, it's perfect.